What you see here is the result of MSD's beginning of work on a project that they have to supposedly help 2 Mile Creek. That's what happened to the creek after they started work. Back up here and turn around. This is the Fawn Valley Bridge that you see here, and there again is what 2 Mile Creek, the south branch of 2 Mile Creek, looked like after MSD did the first part of their project. Now, as we turn, looking this way, we see what 2 Mile Creek looks like upstream, where MSD has not done any work. And here are the banks of the creek in this whole section. Trying to document what we have here now, which is really a natural treasure. It is a spring-fed, free-flowing upland tributary of the Mississippi River. And the waters are clear, as you can see here, looking right down through them and up. And I'm just going to walk upstream here today to provide a little record of what this creek looks like now. Now is a time when MSD has a plan to do here what they've started to do downstream, and we of course are going to try and stop that from happening. Here we are going along. There's that side of the creek. Here's this side. Bit of a pool here. It's fine. Creeks make pools and they move around, and when you buy a house by a creek, you sort of buy the fact that it's going to do things like make pools and move around. Here's an area. Alright. Moving on upstream here, see the water flowing. May even be able to hear it. There's the view back to the Fawn Valley Bridge. Get down here so we can maybe hear the creek. Yeah. Here we are A little further upstream, that's our house in the background. There's some more of the creek side. Here's the other side. And here we go on upstream. Nature. This stream has blue heron, green heron, many kinds of fishes, all kinds of amphibians, bullfrogs, tree frogs, all kinds. It also has this ancient bedrock in the bottom, which you can see in the sunlight there, perhaps. Yeah, there's some of it. See the cracks in the rock there? That's all been there a long time. And what we saw when MSD did the work downstream from here is huge bulldozers running up and down the creek down there, wreaking the havoc that you've seen. And that, of course, would not do this creek any good at all. It would be a case of totally unnecessary, wasteful, destructive roughness. There we go. Oops, bumped into a tree branch there. Here's some more of the bedrock. My footsteps created those ripples, but you can see the edge of the bedrock there. It simply wouldn't survive the bulldozers gouging around on it, tearing off all the vegetation. Here we are. You'll certainly be able to hear the stream as we get a little closer to that. And all along this side, let me just back up here a little bit and pan this side of the creek. It's all protected by trees. These roots hold the creek bank. All of this vegetation growing alongside the creek here, all protecting it, the bank, just like it naturally does. All of this vegetation, by the way, that I'm showing you right now, would be torn out of here by the bulldozers if MSD's plan were to go forward. All of it would be gone. This creek is a natural wonder that just should not be bothered by construction projects. It would be a crime against nature if that were to happen. On upstream you can see all these trees protecting the creek bank. Quite beautiful. I think I'll try to find my way up out of the bank here. I may walk further up the creek some other day. It's Monday, September the 10th, 2012. This stretch of 2 Mile Creek remains undestroyed. I hope it stays that way.